Okay, who's ever say something like, yo me gusta? You know who you are. But don't worry, it happens. I'm just so sorry to tell you this, but you're not speaking Spanish right. Stick around until the end, and I'll make sure you never make that mistake again. Hola amigos, soy Ana, and today we're asking ourselves, when do you use yo, me, and me in Spanish? I got you. By the end of this video, you'll never be confused again. We'll break it down nice and easy with real-life examples so you can stop stressing over it. Let's start with yo. Honestly, this one's the easiest. Yo is a Spanish word for I, and it's used when you're talking about yourself as the subject of the sentence. For example, yo soy Ana. Yo voy al cine. Super easy, right? Just remember, it's always yo when you're the one doing the action. Please don't say a mí soy Ana. That's just wrong, okay? Now let's talk about me. This one's a little trickier, but I'll make it simple. Me is an object pronoun, which means it's used when something is done to you or for you. It's kind of like me in English. For example, me gusta el chocolate. Here, me is receiving the action of the verb gustar. Me dieron el libro. You're the one receiving the book. So it's me. So anytime the action is affecting you, that's when you use me. Now, the one that trips people up the most, me with tilde. Me is only used after prepositions. A preposition is something like to, for, with, etc. For example, eso es para mí. Lo hice por mí. If you don't put the tilde on the me, the sentence doesn't make sense because it's a completely different word. It means my. So remember, me with tilde means me. Me without tilde means my. If you want to know more about Spanish tildes, my friend Daniel uploaded a video not too long ago explaining this topic in depth. I'll leave the link in the description below. All right, here's the worst mistake people make. Me gusta a mí or yo me gusta. Me gusta already tells you that you like something. So there's no need for a mí. It's just extra and sounds super awkward. The correct way is simply me gusta el helado or a mí me gusta el helado. You can use a mí for emphasis, but don't use it all the time. It's like saying, I like ice cream for me, which is just repetitive and a bit weird. Remember that me in there is there because in this case, gustar is an action. So it's like saying, it pleases me, me gusta. And that's it. Hopefully now you're crystal clear on when to use yo, me, and me in Spanish. Remember, yo is just I. Me is for when something is happening to you. Me with tilde goes after prepositions, and me without tilde means just my. If you're still feeling a little confused or want to dive deeper, check out Spanish 55 for personalized lessons to help you speak Spanish naturally. Also, don't forget to listen to our podcast, Conquering Spanish, for more tips, tricks, and a ton of other things to make you sound like a pro. Catch you next time, amigos. Nos vemos!